Hi, my name is Simon. I'm the product marketer at iPaper, and creating digital leaflets can take a lot of time, a lot of back and forward between teams, and a lot of manual work. But today I'm going to show you how it can be done in 2 minutes using Horizon. And we are going to use only product data and our automations. Spoiler alert, I won't actually do it in 2 minutes, but that's only because first I want to explain you the concept of how Horizon works. So let's get into it. This is the digital leaflet we want to create. To get there, we start with a product feed and some sort of briefing data. It could be very elaborate, or it could just be a list of product IDs. To create a leaflet, we run an automation along with a rule set. The automation will enrich briefing data with information from your product feed, so images, descriptions, price, and so on. The rule set will help the automation put offers into templates and use your branding elements. This is to make a visually appealing on-brand leaflet instead of just a list of products. And of course, you can go in and manually tweak the leaflet that Horizon made automatically. And then you can use the finished leaflet on your website and also export a PDF for digital use. So let's try and create a leaflet. This is Horizon, and I'll click here to create a new leaflet. I'll give it a name, select automation, rule set, and product feed. And it's worth noting that the automations and rule sets are created by iPaper. So all you have to do is just select it and run it like I'm doing here. Finally, I'll add my briefing data, which defines which product should be in the leaflet. And then I'll create a leaflet. In the middle, you'll see the leaflet and how we added designs, CTAs, and so on. On the left, you have a scratch pad to make it easier to move offers around. And on the right, you have a panel where you can change different settings, such as colors of the CTA. So you get an automatically created leaflet, and then you have a ton of options to make manual tweaks. So let's save this, I'll publish it, and then let's take a look in the preview. In my opinion, it's a really nice browsing experience. The reader gets exposed to a lot of products in a way that's intuitive, on brand, and just engaging. This leaflet you can then embed on your website, but at the top you might have noticed that there's also the option to download a PDF of the leaflet. That PDF you can then upload to marketplaces or use in other ways digitally. And again, I'll reiterate, we made this in about 2 minutes. Once iPaper has created your automations and all branded elements are set up, it's just about you inputting briefing data, and then you'll get a leaflet. So really anyone on your team can do this.